What's the difference between most popular and more economical? First, there really is no difference in functionality. They both function exactly the same, meaning you still do not lift your mattress to make your bed, your sheets won't pop off at night, and it really only takes a few seconds to make your bed. It really does. So let's start with the most popular. The most popular has a quilt-like feel to it and look. So it has 2 layers of fabric, one on the inside, one on the outside, and it has a padding in the middle. That's what gives it this lush look and feel. A lot of people buy this because they like how it looks, and they like that they can store their phone and their glasses and their iPad, and it keeps it a little bit more protected because of the cushion to it. Now, let's talk about the more economical. The more economical is a slim design. It has 1 layer of fabric, and it's slim, and most people buy this because it's good for tight-fitting spots, meaning day beds, bunk beds, adjustable beds, RV, people that have RVs, they love it because those spots are tight and hard to get into. But it really is just a preference. I actually like the economical. That's what I use. I can still store my phone and my glasses and my iPad in it. So that still works too. But this is what I like because I like how the slim looks to it. So it really is just a preference. Most popular, feels and looks good. More economical, slim, and neat. So it's your choice.